Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you would be able to fix when your Bluetooth button, the on and off Bluetooth button is not working and it's missing and the Bluetooth device is not working. Okay, so let's get started. The very first thing we need to do is to go to our device manager, and we can do that by making a right click on our Windows icon and then go to device manager options. Now here, when this device manager window will come up on our screen, please make sure to choose Bluetooth and then select for the Bluetooth device that's not working. For example, this one, and then make a right click on it and just click on disable device option, and afterwards just enable it. Okay, so after doing so, you can check if the Bluetooth is now working. And if it still doesn't work, then let's proceed with the next process. So again, make a right click on it and then click on update driver. And here we are asked how do we want to search for drivers. Just click on the first option. And this says that the best drivers for our device are already installed. Now, if you want to install or search for updated drivers on Windows Update, just click on this option here. And it may take 2 to 5 minutes for the install or for the downloading to be done, and it depends on the Wi-Fi connection or the internet speed connection. So after doing so, just close this window and then again make a right click on it and then go to properties. Here we need to go to the driver tab and just click on uninstall device and click on uninstall. Now after clicking on uninstall, we can proceed to action tab, and here we can click for scan for hardware changes. So after doing so, please check if the Bluetooth device is now working or the Bluetooth button is now, you can see now the on and off Bluetooth button. And still if it doesn't work, then let's get to another process. Now here on our search tab, please type for settings, and under best match, please click on it. Once we're on this settings window, on the left pane, please type for troubleshoot and click on troubleshoot settings. So just scroll down a little bit. I'm sorry. Troubleshoot settings. Okay, so just click on troubleshoot settings. And here, just go with other troubleshooters. And scroll down a little bit to look for Bluetooth and just click on this run button here so that you will be able to know what's the problem with your Bluetooth. Okay, so after doing so and after following the process, please make sure that you do a quick restart of your device or laptop or PC. And I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope I see you on the next one.